Hey, good evening, Miss Kersey. This is Clark Chastain. I hope you've had an absolutely fantastic weekend. I certainly have. The weather's been great, especially today. Sun's out. It was fantastic. Uh, Before we get into this, I just wanted to say that it is my pleasure to bring you this video assignment that you've assigned us. This is over the current or relevant news article that connects in a way, excuse me, that connects in a way to one or more topics that we have talked about or discussed in the previous semester class. Quick side note, speaking of the semester, I have really enjoyed your class. Honestly, it was a really, really, really interesting class. Highly recommend it, love it, and also you were fantastic as a teacher. Awesome. Extremely, extremely great. I loved it. Um, it was a really interesting class. I learned what not to do, what to do in a professional setting, how to properly initiate a job interview, what to do and what not to do there, and just a whole slew of things. It was fantastic. Loved it. But this article that I chose the ethics topic to pick on this one. This is from the New York Times, and whew, I guess you can see by this big bold title right here. Man, yeah, this is serious. This comes from the New York Times. This is from the Europe section or the Europe sector. This is about how a blind transfer student was v- more than violently removed from Oxford Union, which we'll read later. Well, yeah, right here, Oxford Union, which was a debate hall tied to Oxford. How he was violently removed from that center because apparently he was blind, and also he was not he's an African American, so he was different from the people there. But it was crazy. Here he is right here. Here's Azamati. He's a very very well put together fellow. He is studying. I think I honestly forgot what he was studying, but he's a student there at Oxford. And pretty much basically what happened was he got invited or got word of a debate that was going on there at Oxford Union. He wanted to attend. He walked in, sat down, and then out of nowhere, he was just started getting attacked by a security guards and numerous people. He was blind, so obviously he was with another person. And apparently, after multiple eyewitnesses and a couple minutes passed by, it turned into uh, what a witness Harry Hatwell said. I'm sorry, a 21-year-old law student at the university. He said that Azamati got dragged by the ankles from the security guard. Here's the video. I don't have quite time to show the video right now, but he apparently was dragged from that bench by his ankles. That's how heated it got in there. I mean, my gosh. I mean, there's no need for that. Excuse me. There we go. Uh, yeah, I'm just speechless. Like I said, I had to get up when I was reading this for the first time and just to decide if it was a good enough article. I had to stop because it made me upset. I mean, this shouldn't happen. Everybody deserves it. Just in my opinion, everybody deserves equal opportunity and equal everything, equal education whatsoever. But anyway, he literally dragged him by his ankles, Mr. Hatwell said in an interview, describing the encounter between the security guard and Mr. Azamati, which was only partially captured in the video. So apparently there was more things that went on outside of this video. Um, he apparently the witness as well. He said, "I don't know how I walked back to my room. He couldn't comprehend what he just saw, but Azamati especially. Oh, that poor guy. He said in this quote right up here, well, I can't really find it, but he said that he was traumatized. He that event traumatized him in there, and he said to this day, even though it's been almost a week and a half since this article was written, he still thinks about it. It's very, very still fresh in his mind. And apparently, the security guard there caused some damage to him. But Uh, it's just crazy what goes on in this world. It's absolutely insane. But Miss Kersey, I hope you have enjoyed this presentation on this article. I wish I had more time to go in depth to this because I'm sure there is some more stuff in here to decipher, but my time is running low. So again, thank you for all that you've done this semester. I really, really appreciate it, and I hope to see you again soon. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed semester, and thank you again. Bye bye.